Hello, and welcome to the VectorVest Stock Advisory. It has all the information you need to make faster, smarter, better investing decisions. VectorVest is the only service that analyzes, sorts, and ranks over 8,000 stocks every day for value, safety, and timing, and tells you when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. And it is the only service that combines the power of fundamental valuation with the insight of technical analysis. It provides answers, not scads of data for you to analyze on your own. We do the work, you reap the profits. Market direction is the single most important thing you need to know to consistently make money in the market. Therefore, VectorVest Market Timing Gauge will appear every time you open the app. It tells you when to buy and when not to buy. VectorVest provides a stop price for every stock every day. VectorVest believes in buying rising stocks in rising markets and protecting profits in falling markets. We also believe in letting your winners run and getting rid of your losers. So let's build a watch list of stocks and see how they're doing. Simply touch on the selection icon in the upper left-hand corner, and a menu of features will appear. So choose My Watch List at the top, tap on Create in the upper right, and give it a name. Once you've given it a name, you'll need to enter your stocks into your watch list. Therefore, you'll tap on the plus in the upper right-hand corner, and enter your symbols one at a time. Once you've entered your stocks, you'll notice they're force ranked by our master indicator VST Vector. The stocks at the top of the list have the best combination of value, safety, and timing, and those at the bottom have the worst. Managing your portfolio effectively begins with getting rid of your losers. You may ask why that is. The reason is because you must know how much capital you have to work with to reinvest into stocks that will make you money. One of the easiest ways to identify the stocks that are hurting your portfolio is by resorting the watch list by relative timing or RT. To resort it, simply tap on the rank by at the top and select RT. Relative timing indicates the short-term price trend of a stock and is cast on a scale of 0 to 2. Readings above 1 indicate the stock's price is in an uptrend, and readings below 1 indicate the price is in a downtrend. Once you have freed up cash and you're ready to reinvest, make sure to check VectorVest. We have the right stocks for you no matter what type of an investor you are. If you're looking for great momentum stocks, then look no further than the Midas Touch stocks. To get to the Midas Touch stocks, go to our premium watch list from the main menu, and you'll find them right at the top of the screen. So if we open up Midas Touch stocks and look at the top stock, PCMI, we can see that it has a strong RT. And if we go take a look at the graph by tapping on the graph at the top, we can easily see this stock has great momentum currently. Now, if short-term trading isn't your cup of tea, that's okay. Like I stated earlier, VectorVest is your one-stop shop for all your investing needs. To find stocks that are better for long-term holdings, just go back to the main premium watchlist screen by tapping on the back arrow in the upper left, and select safest stocks with buy ratings. These stocks have phenomenal fundamentals and continue to go up over time. Let's look at Alta's graph, because a graph is like a big picture of the stock, and as the old saying goes, a picture's worth 1,000 words. While we're on the graph, there are two things we want to look for to determine if a stock is a high probable candidate for success. The first thing we want to look for is a steady rising price from bottom left to upper right. The second is steadily rising earnings from bottom left to upper right, like a stair-step pattern. The reason earnings is so important is because it's the engine that drives stock prices higher over time. And if you stick to these stocks, you'll already know they have great earnings. If you recall, I mentioned how we advocate buying rising stocks in rising markets, but how do you know if the markets are rising? Simple. Let's head over to the overview page by tapping on the main menu in the upper left and selecting Market Overview, which is the first screen you see when you sign into the app to see how easy VectorVest makes it. Keep it simple. What does the gauge tell us? Right now, it says VectorVest does not advocate buying any stocks, so therefore we probably shouldn't be buying anything at this time. If you want to know exactly when you should buy any stock, simply pull up the stock advisory and see if it tells us it's okay to buy stocks that day. It's as simple as that. VectorVest is the only service out there that has nailed every top and bottom for over 30 years. It's a system you can trust. It is completely factual. We do not predict the market, we analyze it and follow the trends. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. If you can follow these few simple steps, we guarantee you will become a successful investor. The tools we provide cannot be found anywhere else, and no other service will make your investing as simple and easy like the VectorVest Stock Advisory. If you need any additional help on how to best utilize your newfound investing genie, just give our support a call at 888 658 7638.